Hi everyone. So it was my duty to come live again and give you guys the update. I've just come back from the hospital. मैं hospital से वापस आई हूँ. And thank you to you all, whoever has shared it. Thank you so much, all my friends and influencers, actors, Run Bhai, everybody. Like I just cannot name one person. Everybody, right from Suyash, Maisha, all my Splitsvilla friends, Nivedita, everybody. Thank you so much for doing that. And things have been now better, but it's kind of sad because if I was nobody, like with just 2 followers on my Instagram, this wouldn't have been possible. I mean, आज ये सब करने के लिए 2 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, तब जाके ये हुआ है. मुझे नहीं पता एक कॉमन आदमी की क्या तकलीफ हो रही है इंडिया में, बिकॉज it is fucked up. No matter how much it has been sorted out, it is still fucked up. And the good thing is that because of sharing the live and because of all of these things, the doctor arranged and managed to call the CEO of Apollo Hospitals, that is Dr. Santosh Marathe. I don't know if you all know him. I met him for the first time. He had come. वो आए मेरे सामने बैठे and he explained me entire history, and he has been given a plasma treatment day before yesterday, which I had no idea about. And this is what I was trying to explain them that you need to inform me whatever you guys are doing with my dad. And my dad's heart is quite critical. It's only working like 10%, and they might also go for a heart transplant. So उसके लिए अब मुझे थोड़ा stress है, but ठीक है, if that is required to save my dad, that should be done. So हाँ, ये सारी बातें हो रही थी and I had no update about him. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि इतना serious है. But thanks to you guys, I took this. I know it's very stupid of me to just go live and just talk and rant and cry, but I've done that after years. And thank you so much, you guys. Now they said कि हम आपके पापा का ध्यान रखेंगे, पर यार ये सब करने के लिए ये लाइव जाना पड़ता है, ये सब करने के लिए सोशल मीडिया तक जाना पड़ता है, अपनी घर की सारी वीक बातें बाहर बतानी पड़ती है. And you really need so many followers or influences to survive in India. And this is the saddest thing. I don't feel that, ऐसा होना चाहिए किसी के भी साथ. Not because, you have connections and influences. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. ये किसी के साथ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And this is what we need to improve. Guys, I'm telling you all, if you all need anything, if your family is not being treated well in any hospital or by any doctor, please let me know. I'm going to help you all, and I'm going to do whatever I did for my dad today, because obviously you need this ID and all of this thing to do. And thank you so much, guys, and I'm so glad. Sonu Sood also called me. Thank you, Sonu sir. I got to speak to you. And thank you so much, and I genuinely feel you're doing a real good job by reaching out to people. Thankfully वो सब चीज़ों की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. And my dad, they promised that they will take care of him and they will update me. Tomorrow there's a conference call between all the doctors, whoever has treated my dad, right from heart to brain to this COVID, and they're all going to sit together and come out like they're just going to shell out a solution where आप सब लोग मतलब मैं आपको बताती रहूँगी. Now that you all are involved, you guys are all family, and I will keep telling you in my stories that okay, he's getting better. Mom and Prince are extremely well now. We are just waiting for them to come out. But dad का थोड़ा stress है, अभी भी है. Not medically, but at least the communication part is done properly because of all of this. Thank you so much, guys, for everything. And this was very much needed. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done this. Now I'm gonna go take shower, sleep, and tomorrow wait for their update calls. And even if they tell me, Divya, this is just 0.01% of this is just 0.01% of recovery rate. I don't mind, but at least they just need to tell me. And it is any doctor I know, if you guys are watching live, please guys don't do that to us. Like, please tell the family, tell everything, educate us about everything. We are not doctors to know everything, but at least we deserve to know a little layman information. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm going to save this live also, and I might archive the other live, because obviously now the case has been done and solved. Many of you might lose out on this information which I'm giving right now, because it's very late in the night. So just take care of yourselves, guys, and just be fine यार. अगर precautions लोगे, care करोगे, तो ये सब कुछ नहीं होगा. So thank you guys, and I'll leave. It's been a great help. I'm quite happy now. Thank you.